One of the first channels hit by YouTube's sudden crackdown on Bitcoin and crypto videos says he is seeing positive signs of a reversal from the media giant. Chris Dunn says YouTube has removed the strike on his channel. But despite the progress, he is still waiting for all of his videos to be reinstated. Latest update on the YouTube disaster. Yesterday my channel strike was removed and videos were showing appeal approved, but only a few of them were actually reinstated on my channel again. According to Dan, a YouTube rep told CoinDesk that hundreds of crypto videos across dozens of channels were removed in error and will be reinstated, but so far he is unaware of any channels that have actually had all of their videos restored. Some of the most popular crypto channels on YouTube have been affected by alleged violations with content tagged as harmful. Content creators say that many videos that were educational in nature about Bitcoin, blockchain and cryptocurrency were targeted. Avanon Tech and Crypto Tips are two of the many channels awaiting a reversal from YouTube. As for what exactly triggered the takedowns, speculations range from a mistake to a coordinated attack by bad actors. YouTube strikes possibly done by mistake. My videos are still removed, my appeals have not been addressed, so time will tell if this is real. It's a lot like when a centralized exchange gets hacked. Let this be a wake-up call for. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.